Today I'm going to share some powerful secrets about support and resistance, secrets that most traders don't know, and most YouTube videos never explain properly. Before we begin, listen carefully. This is not just one video. We are starting a full trading series, step by step, from beginner to advanced level. Even if you know nothing about trading, by the end of this series, you will understand how to trade like a pro. You don't need any paid course. You don't need any special background. You just need to watch carefully and practice what I show you. So make sure to subscribe, because I promise, this is going to change your trading game completely. So, let's start with this. How to draw support and resistance like a pro, even if you're a beginner. Mistake number 1. Never draw support and resistance lines on the 5-minute chart, especially if you do intraday trading. Use the 15-minute or 1-hour chart to find the important levels. These time frames show you where the real market reactions are happening. Now, how do we draw them correctly? It's very simple. Find 2 or more lows for support, or 2 or more highs for resistance. If price touches that same level again and again, that line becomes stronger. The more touches, the more power that support or resistance level holds. Let me explain this clearly. If there's only one touch, the level is weak. It might work, or it might not. If there are 2 or 3 touches, it becomes reliable. Now it's safer to trade. And if you see 4 or more touches, that level is very strong. Professional traders trust it. So remember, the more times a level is tested and holds, the stronger and more trustworthy it becomes. Let me give you a real example. You open a 15-minute chart. You find a price zone where the market has touched 3 or more times. That is now a confirmed support or resistance level. You draw a horizontal line on that zone. Now what? But don't enter yet. Now switch to the 5-minute chart for a better entry. Watch carefully. As you can clearly see here, if you had drawn a support zone on the 5-minute time frame, you could have been trapped in this fake breakout. But instead, we used the 15-minute time frame, which helped us avoid the trap. This is the power of smart trading, and the real advantage of multi-time frame analysis. That's why I strongly recommend avoiding support zone decisions based only on the 5-minute chart. Always confirm with higher time frames like the 15-minute for better accuracy. If price comes back to the same zone, and again you see a clear rejection or confirmation candle, like a hammer, pin bar, or engulfing candle, that means that's your entry point. Buyers are stepping in again. This is the moment to prepare for your trade. This way, your stop loss is smaller, your entry is accurate, and your profit potential is higher. Right now, we're looking at a 15-minute chart. As you can clearly see, the market has touched this same price level 3 times in the past. Each time, it bounced back strongly, and that confirms this is a strong and valid support zone. So, we draw a horizontal line at this level to mark our zone. Now we switch to the 5-minute chart to find a more accurate entry point. Watch closely. If the market comes back to this zone again and shows a strong rejection candle, like a hammer, pin bar, or bullish engulfing pattern, it means buyers are stepping in once again, and we can clearly see a hammer candlestick forming. This is our confirmation signal. This is where I enter the trade. I place my stop loss just below the wick of the rejection candle, and my target is set near the next resistance zone or the recent swing high. Let me close this with one important truth. Support and resistance are not just lines. They are war zones, places where buyers and sellers fight for control. If you can see where the battles happen, you can choose the right side and win trades with confidence. So if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want me to cover any topic in this series. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll go even deeper into real trade setups.